Okay, game. Oy, one. Wag kayo ingay, ah. 1, 2, 3.
Good day everyone. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Joy Carson D. Salazar, 26 years of age. I live at 98 C. Benitez Street, Cubao, Quezon City. My objective is to develop my skills and enhance my knowledge in terms of computer-related activities. As a new fresh graduate, I will enhance my skills and knowledge by hard working. I will describe myself as a fast learner, patient, and willing to learn and develop my skills and other personal characteristics. As a new employee, I will give all my hidden skills and strong multitasking ability, patient, and dedicated to work. Good in building positive relations, good communication skills. I will pursue my objective in this company. My strength is when I push myself to finish the given task assigned to me. In the other side, my weakness when myself suffered from overwork and I don't have plenty of time to rest. I can contribute in this company because I'm proficient in Java programming and other programming language. Tapos na.